Okay, what if you do have a style that does not have the same category, or what's the word, blocks, I guess, front, back, sleeve, etc., collar. Like for example, what if you have a tank top? So I'm going to delete this, and maybe you don't even have binding. Let's just make this a really simple tank top. So how would I make a library item of this as a tank top? So we can go back to the groups, of course, choose the group. We can do the category. You can make a new category if you like. I think I'm still gonna stick with basic shirts. But here in my style, I will make a new style. I'm just gonna say add style, the first one. And I'm gonna call it tank. Now real quick, if it doesn't come up with a picture, you can also always make your own. I do like how these pictures are using the schematic view, which has a black outline, so you really see the seams. And maybe it is doing on this one, you just can't really tell. But if you wanted to make a custom picture, you absolutely can. So right now I'm just gonna hit cancel for right now. I'm gonna switch the fabric back to just regular fabric, and then up here is schematic view. So that way you can really see if there's darts here in this view, and you could turn it however you like. But yeah, maybe I just wanna do it like this. And then I'm just gonna do a screenshot myself. I'm on a Mac, so I'm just hitting Command-Shift-4. PC has the snippet tool, and then it's just saving it. I know you can also do snapshots in CLO3D, but that way it's kind of fast for me. Okay, let me go back. I'm gonna add my style, add style. I'm gonna call it tank. And then I'm gonna go find that screenshot I just took. There we go, open, there it is. Yeah, I kind of like it, so it matches the other black and white. And I'll say, okay, so now I have a new style. I'm gonna double click it. And let's see here, here's my tank, yeah. Okay, so there's nothing here to choose from. So let's do this little plus. Let's add a block type. And you only have so many choices here to choose from. Ooh, kind of a lot. I'm gonna choose front, and I'll say okay. And then now I'll do it again, add block type. This time I'll choose back. Okay, that's all I have. So now I have the setup ready to go, and now I can hit plus, and I'll add my first front, and I'll hit enter, and I'll say okay, okay. And then now I will add a back, and again, I'm gonna choose both pattern pieces and say return. Okay. So there we go. Now I can keep adding to this library if I want. If I have other tank top styles I'd like to add to it. Let me show my avatar again. I turned it off for a minute. Okay, what if we delete it? Let's just test it to see if it works. So double click, and then if I hit spacebar, it's all sewn together. So yeah, there you go. I hope that's helpful, and I hope that this library comes in handy as you guys start designing more projects.